This video is for New York State small business owners with 10 or fewer employees. Hi there, Jim McIntyre, Listening.com. What I want to talk about today is when you hit an obstacle, a real hard obstacle. I've got a friend that's trying to get a permit from a town for a building's already there. It's already business. There's been other business in there. And the town's giving them a hard time about the permit. They're not giving them the permit yet. It's been 6 months. And they were sharing this story with me, and they were very frustrated, upset, and it's expensive for them that they're not getting this permit. You may not be looking for a permit, but you might be trying to persuade a client to make a move in your direction. You may be trying to work with one of your suppliers or vendors. Somebody's giving you inventory or products and you're having a problem with them and you can't get them to see it from your side of the table. What you want to do in that case, because if you hit an obstacle and it's not moving, you're going to have to somehow get around this or move it out of the way somehow. And here's one way I've had real good luck with it over 40 years, moving those obstacles or persuading somebody to move over in my direction. And I'll share it with you. It's pretty simple. When you're facing that obstacle with somebody else and they don't want to change their mind and they're kind of putting their foot down, they're stubborn about, and they're talking to you, and if you're on this side with this perspective, go to the other side of the table that they're on. See this from their perspective, out of their shoes, in their mindset, with the things that they're facing. And I found if you do that, and you share with them empathy with them, that you realize that they understand this a certain way, and you don't tell them they're wrong, but here's what you think, or here's what might work for both of you. Using empathy, tell them you understand them, showing them that you understand why they're fearful that this might go a different way or might not work out for them, and you understand and respect that. Then come back to your position. What I found is more often than not, they'll move at least some in my direction. Maybe not give me everything I want, but give me more than what I had before. So when you face that obstacle and it stopped you in your progress, move yourself from your perspective to their side of the table. Get in their shoes, see it from how they see it, and also please share empathy with them, because everybody has a right to their own opinions, and share that with them. Jim McIntyre, Blueprint for Listening.com. The biggest thing to remember is to believe in yourself.